is Lily. So let's explore this area. So here is the mini salad stand. Let's go inside. I got my order here, plus Burmese soup with chicken. Oh, it's really spicy. Fish cake also so good. The price for this soup is only 1,000 images, so it's around 35 cents. Reasonable price. The owner Annie is so nice to us, and she gave free lemon salad. I will try this. The taste is a little bit sour and spicy. Yeah, but it's really tasty. My evening is so buffet right now. Now I finished my salad here, so let's go. Oh, I would like to shout out for Mr. Lawrence Star, who is the advanced member of our Italy Yangon channel, and thanks for joining our membership program. I really appreciate for it. So let's go over there. So this is a local tea shop. You can see in every street. Myanmar people use this kind of tea shop as a meeting point. Oh, this is a cheap clothing shop here. Oh, this is a gaming cafe. In the street, there are so many beauty salons here. Over there, I saw a juice stand, so let's go. My order is arrived. Pineapple juice. Let's taste it. It's really cool and refresh me. Do you wanna try? The price also cheap and the taste also good. So, well guys, YouTube is not promoting our channel so much, so we need your help, and please like this video if you can, and comment and share it. Yeah. I finish here and let's go. Now I reached another street, and let me start my video here. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like my video, you may also like this video and this video. So bye bye guys, see you in next video. Bye bye.